Introducing Vectorworks 2024 Update 4. AI Visualizer directly available within the Vectorworks interface. It is as simple as entering the prompt, adjusting the creativity requirement as per the user, using the Vectorworks image to regenerate the AI image. Merging Vectorworks power with fast AI image generation via Stable Diffusion. It offers unmatched opportunities in the visualization of design through the utilization of AI. This technology elevates your creativity, streamlines your workflow, and delivers captivating design like never before. The versatility of AI makes it a valuable tool for concept design to final product delivery. One can even render as an artistic painting or create option for modified landscape design. The AI Visualizer proves beneficial for generating various options and incorporating diverse amenities into the landscape layout, enabling experimentation and strategic planning of your design scope. Now let's craft a set in Vectorworks Spotlight with the assistance of AI Visualizer. We will start with the base model and enhance it by incorporating dramatic lights, vibrant colors, and stage fog. Now let's create luxurious interior options within a fraction of a second. One can also use the text prompt option to generate an image without the reference of the Vectorworks model. To your surprise, the background images running now in the video and the page breaks used in the video have also been generated through the text prompt option available in Vectorworks AI Visualizer.